Hi guys, come with me as we go bowling with my friends. You know what? Life is not all about writing codes, debugging, and sitting behind the laptop. Sometimes you have to do other things outside the tech world. So yeah, my friend Paul is around from Canada, and then he decided to challenge me for a bowling game. But who challenged each other? I don't even know. He said he can never lose a bowling game, and I was like, this is my game now, and you're in my territory, so you can't come here and claim to be the champion. Then I was like, bro, let's make it happen. And
these are the guys I'm coming to teach how to play today.
I shouldn't have made, because bro, my eyes saw something. So here we are. We arrived at Tamaris, and then
it's game day.
Wishing the guys luck, saying
pray
that
for the guys.
You should pray for the guys. Can you hear that? But apparently it seems like I was the one that needed that prayer more, because bro,
this place is big for bowling.
You will see what happened. So yeah, we got to the place. It was a bit far. Yeah, I thought it was at
you are suffering like that, and I'll beat you.
The champion is getting ready. I didn't know what was waiting for me. I wish I'd link up. But yeah, all dressed, all set for the tournament, and this is it, the beginning of the game. First guy, he went, boom, tried his best. His first shot, just see what he did. And then boom, he cleared everything, bro. I started shaking. I'm not even going to lie. This is my own first shot. Watch. The champion is about to shoot. I missed it. Hey!
Yes!
Now you see, because I missed it.
Yes.
I began praying for everyone to miss, because this guy just kept clearing. And then this one too, he doesn't want to miss again. I'm like, bro, at this point, it is finished, because waiting they happen here. Like, Paul is already celebrating ahead of time. So this is me trying to use politics to win the game.
Okay. I'm the champion.
I cleared everything, and I didn't clear everything. I cleared 8. I was left with 2. So I was like, you know what, guys? If I'm able to clear this remaining 2, then I should be winning, because no one has been able to do it since we came. But finally, I still lost. And then here is the final score. Bro,
so this is the final score.
The champion carried last. In fact, I
Paul
almost
is the
had
champion.
Match, but you know what?
Paul is the champion. Second
deep down.
And this is
something was saying go for a rematch, but I felt like, what if I
was very gentle enough to let them take it, because
so
this is my home, these cars, so I just had to let them to, now you understand.
I allowed
there's
them
no need for me to show off. These are my guys.
It would not be fair.
These are my guys. I just allow them. So that's the one I allowed to win.
I won't allow him to win. No, it's not making sense. So I was just being a generous guy. So yeah, after the game we left, went to something to eat. There was no popular restaurant around, so we went to a popular restaurant, and yeah, you can see us trying to order some meat, and then you order and send it for it to be grilled, and yeah, that was it. We arrived, we ate with this their local bread. Not a bad combo, just really good and filled our stomach. At the end of the day, one thing I've learned is I will never boast again. I have to go back and train. I know that I'm the champion. I'm the champion of this game in this territory. But things happen. So yeah, I just have to go back and train, and I'll be back. Paul, I shall be back for you. Yeah, I promise.